miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, train weather spotters. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wayne County, Wilson County, until 8 p.m. At 7:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles west of Fremont, or 11 miles northeast of Smithfield, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Goldsboro, Wilson, Fremont, Lucama, Stantonsburg, Black Creek, Pikeville, Saratoga, Sims, and Eureka. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Wayne, and Wilson. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:30.
That's not our area.
I know. I'm just saying. It's closed. So that severe thunderstorm warning just issued. I can see why. Whew. So let me get this uploaded and I'll keep you all updated with more alerts.